You work for years, you sacrifice everything, you stay awake at night. You say, if I achieve this, my life will be on top. And when you achieve it, nothing. You feel empty, right? Feel lost. Why? Shouldn't you be happy? This is called the post-achievement depression. And if you ever felt this, you're not broken. You're just human. Psychologists call this the arrival fallacy. We convince ourselves that happiness lives in the finish line. And when we arrive to a thing that we thought will change our life, it suddenly doesn't feel that way. This is why even the most successful people in the world, like actors, athletes, singers, doesn't feel, successful after achieving their biggest goal. They feel unfulfilled right after their biggest achievement. And it's because achieving something doesn't change who we are in the inside. Let's talk science for a second. You know, when you're chasing a goal, your brain is filled with dopamine, your motivational chemical. And it pushes you forward, makes you sacrifice, work harder. And when you achieve the goal, the dopamine and all the excitement is gone. And the thing that is left is, what now? And that's why people feel falling in a slump after achieving a goal, because they were running on dopamine and adrenaline and suddenly it stopped. So how can we overcome it? The first thing is you should accept it. You should accept it without judgment. You should know that it is normal that you have this feeling. Number 2 is shift focus from outcomes to growth. Instead of obsessing over the finish line, ask yourself, what have I become? How did I change? What did I learn? The real reward isn't the trophy that you achieve after the finish line. It's the skills that you've earned. It's the effect that this achievement have on you, the feeling that you have inside of yourself, and the experience you've gained through the process. Number 3, find a new challenge. After every peak, there is a mountain. And it's not because you should chase something new every time you reach a peak. It means growth is something that keeps us alive. Number 4 is redefine success. So what if I tell you success isn't about the destination? What if it's about living fully, being curious, creating and evolving? You're more than your achievements. If you ever felt lost after achieving your goals, remember this. You're not your achievements. You're not your accomplishments. You're not your resume. You're something more than these. And I respect you that you're here now with me watching this video. That's change your mindset, to change your life, to be something more. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you ever felt post-achievement depression, let me know in the comments and what helped you to move on, and like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah,